Here we are, kind of coming into dock at Ketchikan, Alaska on a very beautiful morning for Ketchikan. And we just saw a black bear run through a neighborhood. Brandon saw it first. Pretty cool. So we're just going to tie up here at this dock, and that will be it. We're walking Ketchikan. It's a beautiful day today. Have a nice day here in Ketchikan. There's Jeanette.
Oh yeah.
There's our boat in the back, our big ship.
I don't like seeing the heads floating. So they all just stay together.
Ketchikan Creek. Coming up from outside the creek.
There's so many.
Yeah.
Here we are walking down Green Street. I know, munching out on salmon. It's like a all-you-can-eat buffet.
Isn't it sometimes like pretty like white water area here? The rapidy or
Yeah, tide's really low.
He was up there a minute ago eating fish.
The soup?
I moved over here to see if I can get a picture of it. Yeah. Yeah, there's another one over there.
That big guy. He's been through a lot. You gotta just wait for these people.
Oh, you guys need to do it. Okay. I wish I knew they Where else in Canada? Are they in the bathroom? Oh, there they are.
There's eggs over there and little ones.
Well,
and little salmon. I think so. They're like
Here's our ride. Here's our ride to the glacier. Coming to pick us up.
I want to hold.
Yeah, that big piece that Michael kept saying.
Yeah, that was the piece I was waiting for.
We were saying, we were saying when we got to that piece.
Run away.
Mike, you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Dad, look at that quarterback.
Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
It's like a Loch Ness monster coming out of there.
Well, that's going to make a mess.
That is a big wave. Get your surfboards.
Whoa. Gee.
That is a huge, huge shooter right there.
That's insane. The cap of the boat is not That's insane.
Head right toward them. We'll get better pictures.
Wedding Cake Falls. Wedding Cake Falls. up. Kick your tail up. Kick your tail up.
No.
Ah.
He might pop up again. He's not diving yet. Yeah.
I see a red one. This is a red one.
It is a little one. Yes.
There he
Oh,
is.
there he is. Here comes his tail. All right,
Come on.
Go. Go.
Ah, don't be shy.
Oh. Yeah. Did you see the whale up here? Ready? Yeah, we found a whale.
There he is.
There he is. See? Oh, this is
Kick it. Kick it.
He'll show his tail when he's ready to dive down to get food. So he's not diving yet. Oh, here he is. Oh, such a big guy. You guys share. Santa, share. There he is. Santa, look. Santa, look. Here comes his